Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to activate Amazon Prime Video. Whether you're looking to dive into the latest series or explore a massive library of movies, getting your Prime Video up and running is straightforward, and I'll walk you through every step. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign into your account. After you've logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Prime Membership. This section is where you'll manage everything related to your Amazon Prime subscription, including Prime Video access. Now, if you're new to Prime and want to test it out first, you'll see an option that says Start your free 30-day trial. Click on this to begin. However, if you're already subscribed to Prime, you can skip this step and simply log into your Amazon account to access Prime Video directly. Next up, you'll need to select your payment method. Amazon will present you with several options here. You can choose to use your gift card balance when available, enter a gift card, voucher, or promotional code, or add a credit or debit card. For this tutorial, let's say you're adding a credit or debit card, so go ahead and click Add a Credit or Debit Card. You'll now be prompted to fill in your payment details. Enter the name on card exactly as it appears, then input your card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure all the information is accurate to avoid any payment issues down the line. Once you've entered everything, click Add your card to save this payment method to your account. At this point, take a moment to review the membership details that appear on your screen. This will show you what's included in your Prime membership, the billing cycle, and when your free trial ends if you opted for one. Once you've confirmed everything looks correct, click Confirm or Start your Prime membership to finalize the activation. Now that your Prime membership is active, it's time to start enjoying Prime Video. Open a new tab in your browser and navigate to primevideo.com. Once the page loads, click Sign In at the top right corner and log in with your Amazon account credentials. And that's it, you're all set to start streaming your favorite shows and movies. You've successfully activated Amazon Prime Video and you're ready to explore everything it has to offer. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.